right. Get this in here. Yeah, that's good, that's good. This in here. Get this in here. Yeah, good, good, good. Dolphin stuff. Sleeping bag. Right here. And clothes. Yes? Yeah. One night of camping.
Good catch.
Oh man, check that out. Oh, what's going on, everyone? John with Deer Outdoors. It's been a minute, but we're finally up and we're out and we're going camping, right guys? We got little Dero back there, Uncle Dolphin in the passenger seat. We're gonna go hit, we'll show you where we're going. Just stop by Cefco to get our snackies. Got some Cluckers on a stick, biscuit, Skittles, all that good stuff. We're gonna get on the road. We'll see you at the campground.
Quick tag number, all right?
Oh, yes, sir. Checking in. We made it. We are at Historic Blakely State Park in Alabama. Not technically an Alabama State Park, but a really awesome place nonetheless. It's a Civil War historic park, and I'll definitely include the website in the description. That way you can look at it and I won't slaughter anything. Or, I mean, this definitely means a lot to people for the Civil War aspect of it, but we're here to camp, which is awesome because they got camping. Yeah, we just got here. This is our campsite. Nice big open area. And this is a special camping edition because what are the rules?
No electricity.
No electricity.
Or gas.
Or gas. So that means we are cooking with
the fire.
The fire pit.
No gas.
And no flashlights. We'll see how we're going to get around that later. Right now, we got to unpack because we're already dropping daylight. All right, let's start breaking out our stuff. Ta-da. Okay. Dawn, grab your clothes. That was off the whole time. That's cute. Our 7-gallon water jug for cooking and whatnot, so that's plenty of water. Sydney, can you go set that over on the table?
Oh no. I can't even lift it up.
It's fine. I'll take care of it. All right, so we got our tent. We got bags of clothes, obviously, camping boxes. There's some firewood back there and sleeping bags. And we brought lots and lots and lots of blankets because we can get down in the 40s again tonight. We apparently only like to tent camp in the cold, so. Or the really hot. And I got this cool cargo net. Didn't need it because it's tonneau cover, but it's sweet, so got it.
Oh, Dad.
All right, we gotta get this tent set up. So 1, 2, 3. All right, was I standing here? I don't know. Anyways, tent set up. We'll look inside of it real quick. Okay, let's look inside the tent. It's got the sleeping pads. Dolphin's gonna have to make his own bed. I gotta make my bed. Her bed's made, so that's good. Get this shut up for the bugs. Extra blankets. We'll get this shut up. Shut down. No bugs. Rain cover. Okay, and then over here on the picnic table, we got a couple things. Some kitchen stuff. We got our water container. Seems to be holding 7 gallons. I think it's got a little drip to it somewhere. Right there, maybe? Oh, anyways, getting the fire set up, camp kitchen set up, and we're gonna start cooking. It is, I don't know what time it is because I can't look at a watch. I put my...
The sun. The sun's your only option to tell.
Bro, there is no sun. Sun's down, that's why we had to set stuff up so quick. Anyways, we're gonna get this fire going and start cooking.
We're up.
Come over here and do that. Get this fire going. Got a little pot of fat wood shavings and paper. Let's try a different, different approach. Keep going. Okay, cool.
That's it right there. What's it look like?
It's neat because you can super compact. And then this is the flint side, the striking side, and this is the thing. So I believe it's just simple as oh jeez. Oh my gosh. Technical difficulty.
We got some bloopers.
Shaving the magnesium in there should help it. Dolphin's going for it.
My slice.
Yeah, dude, you gotta
slice
down
that.
there, and like point it at it, but go further away because you're gonna hit the bowl just like that.
Oh, yeah, that's right there.
You got it, man.
You got still.
Keep going. Hold on. Maybe it might just get the. Ooh.
Got it, Sid?
Yep.
Right there. You're on.
You had it.
It's getting hot.
Three hours later.
Oh no. Oh, sorry. Sparks, man. Fill with sparks.
Shh, 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 shh. Oh, baby!
Third attempt.
All right, we gotta move.
Okay, quick, add fatwood. Fatwood.
Fat one, get it.
Paper and fatwood. That's not that fat, like not literally.
Fat. This fat wood?
No, this stuff.
Oh, that.
It should go right
Okay,
up.
Uncle Dolphin,
It's gonna.
hold the camera.
Okay, pine cone.
Can someone hold the camera?
The littlest. Oh my gosh, we did it, dude.
We did it.
You know?
How to start a fire completed.
Man,
I forgot to say first try.
first try.
First try.
Totally, we're not struggling at all
Oh,
with that.
I think we did.
Whoa, it's flown up into the air.
I mean, that's right on cue. Bear Grylls, you know?
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Bro, what if it was raining?
Yeah.
Those little pieces of wood, Cindy. All right, man, let's build up this fire. You've seen part of this in action. This is our cooking apparatus today. The camping stove. What is that? So we got this. Goes in there like that. This will go down there like that and hold it. This will go on here.
What a great spot. That's fine, right?
Oh, Dad.
Boom, let's get a fire going in here and heat this bad boy up, right, Sydney?
Yep.
Your first up, beefaroni. That's what you're having for dinner?
Yeah.
All right. Our fire is roaring now, and we are going to create our cooking stove on the stump. That's a nice cooking stump.
Where's your lantern at?
We don't have a lantern, we get glow sticks. Sydney, show us our lighting. No electricity. We use chemicals for lighting, and we get the party.
Where's the music?
We can't have any music. All right, I have got to figure out a way to
The birds.
light the stove.
I forgot it's
So,
electricity.
find a stick and then set it on fire. Here, we're gonna scoop up a hot coal. And maybe? No, he's not even on fire anymore. There's a nice hot coal.
Uncle Dolphin.
Hey.
Even though we don't have a lantern, we can still hang out there.
Here we go. See if that sets on fire.
Yeah, so I think only in that corner. Only in that corner. We have 2 fires. You should have brought the acoustic guitar.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess everyone else at this campground would love us. Okay, man, we got the glow sticks. No electricity. So far, so good. Fire's going, and just wanted to say I got it going with the flint striker on the first time. So I'm like really good.
That was second attempt.
It definitely wasn't after 30 minutes of looking like a goof and knocking over the thing. Fire's going. Good. Uncle Dolphin's doing all right. Beefaroni is on the stove. Anyways, look at that. You got the beefaroni roasting. So you wait till it gets simmering, and then we'll get it off the stove. All right. What are you eating?
I'm eating beefaroni.
Beefaroni in the bowl. What are you eating, Dolphin?
Beef stew.
Dinty Moore beef stew over the stove. Let's go check on my chicken and dumplings. Fire's still going good. The mini stove with the chicken and dumplings, man. Going good. That's gonna start simmering anytime. But dude, this little stove is pretty awesome. It's like a pellet stove, and we're just using little pieces of wood, and it's pretty sweet. Yeah. All right, we are nearing the end of the night. Marshmallows are getting roasted. We finished our campfire dinner. We have successfully, well, we were almost successfully all night. No electricity, right?
Mm-hmm.
How's that s'more?
Good.
How's
It
your
is great.
beefaroni over the fire?
Good.
Yeah, my chicken and dumplings was pretty good. And then we'll see you in the morning, because this is a good time to close it out. Everyone have a good night. See you in the morning.
See you in the morning. Bye.
Night.
Good morning. Right?
Right.
We did it. Spent the night. No electricity last night.
It's
The morning. It is cold. It is very brisk.
Last night.
It's very brisk. You need to get this fire going. Water boiling, make some coffee, make some breakfast, pack up a little bit, maybe check this place out a little bit if we got time. But yeah, we're doing so good so far, right? No electricity?
Nope.
All right.
None.
All right, here we go again.
Sparks.
Yeah.
How many tries that take?
It honestly, it took less than last time.
Yeah,
last
it did.
night.
It did.
We're getting the hang of this.
Okay, now.
You want a stick? Push it in a little bit.
Burn the wood.
Yep. Oh, it's gonna burn.
You know what burn good? Leaves.
Morning breakfast action. What you got over here?
Egg, it did not work too well. It's pretty stuck to the
The bottom.
still edible.
Survival situations.
Work with what you have. Breakfast is done. Spam and eggs with the fire roasted biscuits. Actually, let's go ahead and put them on the fire for just a second longer. Put those on the other cooked up Spam. How is it, Dalton?
Delicious.
Dalton's not even waiting for his biscuit.
No.
He's going straight for it. I want a little bit of everything, so. How's your oatmeal?
Great. It's delicious.
All right. After this, we're going to start packing up the campsite. We're going to go for a little walk. But, yeah, it's about done, man. No electricity. Had to move the cooking situation from there over to here. We just had a big breakfast to cook. But it's going, so.
And too close.
I know. I learned the hard way not to go romping through the woods in Alabama because these banana spiders, I think they're orbs weaver spiders, but these things are wicked, man. Look at the size of this guy compared to my finger.
Don't touch it.
We'll just give him a little boop. Boop. Okay. He's good.
I think he's dead.
He's not dead.
Is he paralyzed?
No, he's just waiting for a snack. He didn't want to get booped. But yeah, look at that. He is crazy. These things are everywhere too.
Paralyzed is when spider gets stung by.
Cheers. Breakfast is done. A little bit extra. Snacky time. 10 a.m. s'mores. How is it?
Good one.
Cheers. Mmm.
Delicious.
Alright, we gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here in like an hour. So we're gonna pack up and then that's it, man. We successfully camped. No electricity, no gas. We did it.
We did.
Well, that's it. We did it, didn't we?
Yes.
No electricity, no gas. We don't even know what time it is. Hopefully it's not past 11 or we're gonna get angry at us. Campsite is cleaned up. We are gone. Light smolder on the fire. That's just the steam. We drenched it in the rest of the water that we had. Again, everything else is packed up. Let's shut that tailgate, Dolphin.
Got you.
And we're heading home, man. We're gonna see you next time on Deer Outdoors. And we'll do something else fun, won't we?
Yes.
Oh, you get so high.
The hiding tree.
Look,
Why don't you go hide in there?
you're actually allowed to go in there.
I've seen these kind of movies.
There's a whole civilization in here. Crazy.
Uncle Doc.
This part right here is crazy. This is the Deku tree.
The Deku tree. There's a temple in there.
Yeah.
Get the first
There's those plants, whatever those are.
fan palms or something.
Yeah.
Good thing I'm a rock wall climber.
Yeah. Got a little Port of Blakely guided tours. Got the Africtown Bridge over there. Oh, something's jumping. Something's jumping. Kayak launch. Blue crab. Is he alive? Yeah, I think so.
He's moving.
Yeah, there he goes. He's fiddling, nibbling. Blakely's got lots of boardwalks, especially on the water. It's pretty cool. A nice day like today. Barry or Fred's coming in hot.
There's where all your food is.
Oh, that's a pelican? That's a baby pelican. Like an adolescent pelican. National Register of Historic Places in 1974. There it is, that's what I want. Okay.